So in this Swagbucks tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to earn money by referring friends here on Swagbucks. So once the Swagbucks app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom right and press on more. Once you're here, I want you guys to go down just to where it says more ways to earn, and I want you to press on where it says refer. Now on this page right here, you have your referral link. If you were to go ahead and copy this link, you can share it through text message, email, whatever you want to share it through. Simply just copy the link and send it to people. And basically you see it right here. 10% lifetime earnings. That's right. Refer your friends and earn 10% of the SB or the Swagbucks they earn on Swagbucks for life. So if you get enough people to be on your referral program, I guess you have enough successful referrals, this can add up. This is passive income, and this is a way for you guys to make real money just by referring friends over time here on Swagbucks. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can earn money by referring friends on Swagbucks. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.